TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 1 p.m. update, and currently we've got all the indices trading to the upside. You can see the Dow's up 533, nearly 2%, S&P 55, NASDAQ up 148, and the spot volatility index is trading up as well. It's up 26.59. I believe that's just below the 50-day exponential moving average. Let's go take a look at the indices out here. What is it that we're going to focus on? Let's begin by taking a look at the S&P 500. What do we know? Right now, so it doesn't have a completed pattern to the downside, but you do have that nice gap to the upside out here. You can see you get a nice hammer candle from last week on Monday out there. So clearly the S&P signaling to us that it wants to try to form a bottom. Now, the real key level to be watching today is called Stevie's Green Line. It's the oscillator and change line. Currently printing at 33.47, price at 33.52. The S&P closes above Stevie's Green Line is an indication that price wants to continue to move higher. We'll try to take a look at those levels, if not during this segment here, certainly during the Trader's Edge show. If we take a look at the Dow out here, the Dow, an interesting pattern. The same thing inside the Wilshire 5000 and New York Stock Exchange. What's that pattern? It's a Gartley buy pattern, and that's being confirmed by today's gap to the upside. You see, gaps are your friend, not your foe. They're both bullish or bearish reversal candles out here. And if the Dow is able to close above its green line, which is 27,636.73, just call it 27,637 out there. If price closes above that, that's signaling that it too wants higher price. I'll show you the other Gartley buy patterns that are out here. Here's the one for the New York Stock Exchange. So this is very interesting. In this case here, you can see the Gartley. I've got it drawn in. But price has stopped right at resistance. If there was going to be a price point that the New York Stock Exchange counter trend rally would end on, well, where that's at, it's called Stevie's Green Line. That's currently priced at 12,733 out there. So if the New York Stock Exchange closes above that, that's signaling, because that line is green, that it too wants to move to higher ground. And we're looking at the New York Stock Exchange, the Wilshire 5000 out here. So broader indices for the intention of the market. Well, if you take a look at the Wilshire, this completed a Gartley buy pattern. It is traded above Stevie's Green Line, and that's priced at 34,302. Now, you may not follow these indices that much, but you should. This is Steve Rhodes with TFNN. Stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show. If you're off to start your Monday, have a magnificent one, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.